G'day guys, Benevolent, welcome back to Food to Eat. It's been some time since we've spoken to each other, hasn't it? It has been some time. You see, it's just been summer and I'm executive chef down at a beautiful resort down in Lorne, Victoria. Just finished a gigantic summer, 3-4 months, solid, making other people happy, cooking them food, which is really cool. Haven't had a lot of time for videos, however, there's something else I've been working on whilst I've been busy in the kitchen. I just want to show you this. This is my new little baby. It's my new book, Tales of a Benevolent Chef. It's pretty fantastic, isn't it? So this little baby is a culmination of 20 years cooking. 20 years professional cooking, all summed up in this book. Now, I want to show you a few pages. Let's go. It's a really stunning book, full of colour, and the really interesting thing about it is all these dishes come directly from what I'm cooking and what our customers are getting as they're being served. So in that respect, it is the truest form of food that you could have ever imagined. Tales of a Benevolent Chef. There it is. So you're probably asking, where do you get it? Wow, here you go. So this little baby is available at my website, www.foodtoeat.net, or you can get it at blurb.com. So it's self-published. Currently she's not available in shops, but what's really exciting is later in 2018, I'm on my way to New York City to film on Footprint Network, and I hope to catch up with you guys all there. In the meantime, this is Bev. Get yourself a copy of this book because she's going boom. Catch up.